What's up guys, some of y'all don't know where to put the jack stand. Okay, make sure you put it in the right spot or it will damage your vehicle. If you want to do change oil, whatever maintenance you want to do, you want to work on your engine, whatever, okay? So make sure you put your car on the jack.
Please.
There's so many incidents, people get killed, things can happen, things can go wrong. So put your jack stand.
Do me a favor.
Where to put it, I'll show it to you. This is the front tire. You put it right here. You go underneath. Okay. Right there. Alright. You put the jack stand right there. Right here. See it? That's where you put it. Same thing, driver's side. Alright, on the rear. Okay, you put it right there. Alright, see it? On the passenger side. So same thing. It looks the same. It's where you put your jack stand. Right there. Okay? You let it sit right there. Rear. You want to work on the rear? You put your jack stand right there. See it? Okay.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for upcoming videos.